everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix the Facebook professional mode not showing problem. For that, you just need to go to the Play Store first and you need to search in Facebook. If you see the update option here, then just you need to tap on update and update the Facebook. Once you are done with updating the Facebook app, then you just need to go to the setting option and scroll down, and here you will find apps. Tap on it and tap on app management so that you can get access to all app here. Wait until apps are loaded. You can either scroll down and find Facebook, or you can search in Facebook and search again. Here you can see storage. You just tap on storage usage and clear all the cache by tapping on clear cache. Go back and you need to tap on permission. Make sure the app permission are allowed here. So go back again. If this way also did not resolve your problem, then final way is you need to go to the Facebook, log in into the Facebook account, and on the top right corner you will see the three-line icon. Tap on it and tap on the profile here. And what you can do is, after you are into your profile, then you need to tap on the three dotted line near the next to edit profile and scroll down, and you can find your profile link. Tap on copy link. Now your link to profile has been copied, so go back and you need to tap on help and support. Tap on report a problem and scroll down and tap on continue to report a problem. Wait until Facebook is creating report, and here you need to tap on include. So scroll down and you can find here profile. So tap on profile, and here you need to describe the issue and add the link here. So once you describe in the issue, you need to paste the link you had previously copied. Here on the clipboard you can easily see that, so copy that. And here on the top you can see the airplane like icon, so you need to tap on that and submit the report. After you submit the report, then Facebook will automatically solve the problem. You must wait until 24 hours or more than that also to solve this professional mode not showing problem on the Facebook. Thank you.